We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more unclear words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally pronounced as documentary. You do want to stress on the third syllable, on the men syllable, documentary. In American English, however, it is normally said as documentary, documentary in American English versus documentary in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.